In this video, I will show you step by step how to check in online in Lufthansa. So friends, go to Google search for Lufthansa Airlines and then click on the first result here. After that, you will see this official website. From here, all you have to do, go to this section, check in, click add check in, and then click other recording option. If you want to log in, just log in, and then you have this option, booking reference ticket number. You can see here this ticket number. For example, if I check ticket number, and then you would see this ticket number, guys. You can view on this image. From here, you can use or you can view your ticket number from Lufthansa on this section. After that, all you have, this is ticket number. From here, write your ticket number and then write your pre-name. For example, this is my name, and then write your last name. After that, click on confirm option. You can also check in through registration with your account. Click check in. When you click on check in option, log in your account, and then you will check in automatically directly. This is how you can do. You can see your ticket number from here, write your last name, and you can check in easily. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's guide helpful for you. See you on another video.